Air-fried tandoori chicken.
Hi, food geek! Ever wish you could enjoy a delicious, juicy tandoori chicken without the hassle of a traditional tandoori cooking method? I just thought and decided to experiment in my kitchen. After a lot of trial and errors, I discovered the perfect way to achieve that authentic tandoori flavor using an air fryer. But that's not all. I'm also going to show you how to turn this into a full, healthy meal with a refreshing salad and warm flatbread. Get ready to transform this delicious classic dish into an easy, healthy, and quicker feast in your weekdays dinner. Let's dive in.
First step, let's prepare the marinade. We're using the 2 cm long turmeric, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 cm long galangal. Mince all these spices in the food processor is a fantastic idea to ensure they are finely chopped and evenly distributed throughout the marinade. This method helps to extract their flavors more effectively, infusing the marinade with the aromatic essence. Mince it for a couple of minutes. Open the food processor lid to do some seasoning. Let's put in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half of tablespoon of sesame oil. Is optional if you're allergic to sesame. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half cup of plain Greek yogurt. There's a generous portion of yogurt. This will tenderize the chicken while infusing it with creamy goodness. Close the food processor lid and blend it for a couple of minutes. The marinade should be smooth and creamy after a few minutes blending. Now let's spice things up a bit. Half of teaspoon of Garam Masala. It is a blend of various spices such as cinnamon, clove, cardamom, cumin, coriander, and black pepper. A crucial ingredient in tandoori chicken. Second spices is half teaspoon of coriander seeds powder. Coriander seeds have a unique flavor that is slightly citrusy, earthy, and aromatic. It complements the other spices in the marinade. Next spices is 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. Garlic salt is a seasoning blend that combines granulated garlic with salt. It's a convenient way to add both garlic flavor and saltiness to this dish. The popular ingredient for tandoori chicken marinade is this 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Paprika powder lends a vibrant red hue to the marinade and also adds a subtle sweet spicy flavor to the marinade. To add on a little bit of sweetness, I include 1 teaspoon of ABC sweet sauce, or you can replace it with 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of black pepper. Blend it again for the very last time for a couple of seconds. Once done, use a spatula or spoon to scrape down the side of the food processor bowls to ensure that all the ingredients are evenly incorporated into the marinade. Now it's time to include the sweet mustard. It's around 2 tablespoons of sweet mustard. Sweet mustard brings the flavors, tenderness, and glaze into the tandoori chicken marinade. Tandoori chicken is renowned for its vibrant red color, which comes from the spices and ingredients. And this is really optional if you like that the tandoori chicken become a little bit red. I'm using this natural red color which contributed by the beetroot. Few drops of natural food color can help the marinade become a vibrant red. Well, this is really optional if you don't want to be a vibrant red tandoori chicken. Set the marinade aside and take out 1 clean new Ziploc bag. We will start to marinate our chicken. find out why I'm using Ziploc bag to do marination, you can click on the links below to check out my other Ziploc bag recipe, which is the spiced chicken in air fryer. Pour and scrub all the marinade into the Ziploc bag, and it's time to include our 6 chicken drumstick, which is already washed and trimmed off the excess fats. If you are new to the channel and enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribing helps you stay updated on all the latest videos, and it also supports my channel, allowing us to continue creating more great content for you. Back to our marinade chicken. Now seal the bag. Press out any excess air from the Ziploc bag and seal it tightly to prevent leaks. Make sure the bag is securely closed to avoid any spills or messes. Gently massage the marinade into the chicken, ensuring that each piece is evenly coated. This helps to distribute the flavors and ensure thorough marination. Once done all the massaging, now it's time to place the sealed Ziploc bag with the marinated chicken in the refrigerator. Allow the chicken to marinate for the time overnight. This can vary from a few hours to overnight depending on the flavors you want to achieve. The next day, preheat the air fryer at 180 Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. Once your air fryer is preheated, using tongs is a great way to safely and easily transfer your marinated tandoori chicken drumstick to the air fryer basket. Leave some space between the drumsticks to allow for good air circulations and even cooking. Don't overcrowd the air fryer basket. It's better to cook the drumstick in batches if necessary to ensure they cook evenly and get crispy. The tips here is you can also use a large spoon if you don't have tongs, but tongs offer more control and stability when handling the chicken. I also love the tongs which have silicone tips that can help prevent them from scratching my coating of my air fryer basket. If you're interested, you can look at the tools and ingredients that I'm using in the description box in the show notes below. You can also bust the chicken drumstick evenly with the remaining marinated chicken that left over into our Ziploc bag. Things to consider is be mindful of the amount of marinade you pour underneath. Too much marinade can burn during the cooking. Spray some olive oil. Air fry at 180 Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the air fryer using the tongs to turn over all the chicken drumstick to the other side for even cooking. Or alternatively, you can just shake the air fryer basket. Halfway through the air frying process, tandoori chicken should exhibit a vibrant red-orange color. The exterior of the chicken pieces will begin to develop a beautiful caramelization, with the marinade forming a slightly charred crust. This crust contrasts with the bright red hue of the chicken, creating an enticing visual appearance. Flipping over the chicken halfway through the air frying process to ensure it cooks evenly on both sides. Brush it a little bit more of the leftover marinade for even cooking color. Close the air fryer basket and continue cooking at higher temperature, which is 195 Celsius at 10 minutes. Once the cooking cycle is completed, you can check again. If you feel like you want to a little bit more charred, you can do the similar thing to 1 to 2 minutes more in the air fryer, but probably adjust to 180 Celsius for another 1 to 2 minutes. Depending on your chicken size, make sure that you check the internal temperature of the thickest piece and make sure it is at 165 Fahrenheit. You may continue to cook the chicken or add 1 to 2 minutes for char marks, but make sure not to overcook. Remove our air-fried tandoori chicken drumstick onto the serving plate and set aside. Let's prepare some side dish for this tandoori chicken. First up, we have some air-fried tofu. Tofu is a fantastic plant-based protein that pairs wonderfully with the bold flavors of tandoori chicken. I'm going to season these tofu slices with a sprinkle of salt and a dash of smoked paprika for extra flavor, or you can leave it original. There's nothing quite like the aroma of freshly baked flatbread filling the kitchen. This warm, pillowy delight will be the perfect vehicle for our tandoori chicken. Cut into the few slices and set aside. While flatbread is a popular choice, other options like rice, couscous, or quinoa can also complement tandoori chicken well. Ultimately, the choice of accompaniment depends on personal preference and dietary restrictions, but flatbread remains a classic and beloved choice for serving with tandoori chicken. And to balance out our meal, we're going to toast together a crisp salad, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, paired with our baby spinach, red tomato, some honey, and some thick Glaze balsamic, some chia seed, some packed goodness walnut. Toast it together and voila, that is our super easy express salad. Now is the most exciting part, the serving. Drizzling some ABC sweet sauce on tandoori chicken might be a creative fusion of flavors, combining the smoky, spicy taste of the tandoori chicken with the sweet and tangy flavors of the sauce. This combination could add complexity to the dish, appealing to those who enjoy a balance of sweet and savory flavors. Final touch with garnishing some fresh coriander leaves and spring onion. The air-fried tandoori chicken is the star of the show. Its golden brown skin glistering under the light. Pick up a piece of air-fried tofu which is soft and custardy inside. A fresh salad provides a welcome contrast, and last but not least, the warm flatbread is perfect accompaniment. And the fresh chilies. If you like spiciness, cut some red chilies and voila! An easy, perfect, balanced meal. And there you go, that's my Malaysian-style air-fried tandoori chicken. It's a perfect, easy meal for any busy work night. Here's recap my recipe, or you can go to hankery.com for printout recipe. Check out my next video, which is in the description box below, the ultimate air fryer chicken skewer. If you are looking for more easy and flavorful weeknight meals, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipe and tips. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a video.